I'm Joe from Joe's Roma. You know what time it is. It's showtime.
Bruschetta is a traditional Italian antipasto, which means it's part of the first course of the meal, helping to stimulate the appetite. And nothing stimulates our appetites more than a Mamma Mia Monday, where we're in the DelmarvaLife kitchen with Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma. I don't know, I don't always need something to stimulate my appetite.
You don't?
It seems to always be there ready to go, yeah.
But it's always nice to have bruschetta.
That's right, that's right. This is a great dish. It's very, to stimulate for the main meal, right?
Sure, sure.
That you'll eat hungrier for your dinner. We're gonna use a little heirloom tomatoes. We're doing Mahi Bruschetta today. So we a fresh Mahi filet.
Okay.
Jimmy, if you want to put a little bit of the blackening seasoning that I prepared there.
Oh, yeah, right here. Okay.
Just spread on top of that fish.
Oh,
Just right on top.
interesting.
Lisa, you
Okay.
can help me with the tomatoes. So I
Yeah.
have some heirloom tomatoes here. They'll be in season here shortly.
Okay.
So these are, want to do half of each and just kind of chop them up in
Just
little
trying
squares. Yep.
this way?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and you had told me before, keep your fingers out of there.
Little chunks, yeah.
Joe, I don't think I did this too good. I put way too
You're
much
doing
on
great.
it.
No, you're doing great.
Is that right? Is that what you want?
Yeah, yeah.
That bread is still warm.
I just pulled it out of the oven.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, that makes a big
A
difference.
good day today.
There you
That's
go.
not too much?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Just gonna spread it out a little bit like this, just to give it a little even. And I got the pan on high. We're gonna go no oil, no butter, right in the pan.
Straight in.
That's right. Now mahi is a good fish for this. You can use rockfish. It's good because it firms up when it cooks, so when you cut it, it doesn't fall apart.
Oh, okay.
Get this out of the way for you. How we come with the tomatoes, Lisa?
We're chopping along here. I always say Jimmy's really slow at chopping, and this knife is really sharp.
Yes.
So now I know why. Okay, and half of each.
Yep.
All right. And heirloom tomatoes, you're saying they're not in season
They're not seasoned
yet.
yet. You could buy them at the grocery store if you're lucky to find them for now. But there'll be a wide range of different ones here. You know, about May or so, end of May, I start getting the early girls, they call them.
Early girls.
The early girls.
And these are, are these particular heirlooms that you have here?
The yellow gold, and they call this the ugly.
The ugly.
The ugly because of the way you look before you cut it. And then the other one there is called a purple Cherokee.
Ooh.
They all have names from there. So I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic and salt and pepper, parsley into this bowl here. We're gonna place those tomatoes.
Ooh. Is there anything on your menu other than desserts that you don't put garlic in?
I think that everything has garlic in it.
It's supposed to. It's got-
Italians cook with garlic and olive oil.
Garlic and olive oil. Okay, makes sense. So you buy garlic by the
I buy garlic
barrel?
We buy a lot of garlic.
Okay.
All right, I think that looks good.
All right. Whew.
Sorry about that. Put you to work.
Yeah, that was a lot of work there.
There we go. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of this basil here.
It's not bruschetta without basil.
That's right. Get this out of the way.
Okay.
And if you like to mix that up a little bit with the tongs,
Yep.
make sure I have enough garlic in there.
Yeah,
There we go.
Can't have too much.
never
Can't
have too much,
That's
right?
right. Add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil,
Oh, yeah.
a little bit of balsamic vinegar just to give it
Oh, my.
acidity of the tomatoes.
And we were talking also too, this doesn't have cheese in it.
No
but that's
cheese
okay.
today. No cheese today.
It's okay.
Jimmy's just gonna flip these over.
How can you tell when it's time to flip?
About a minute on each side, 2 minutes on each side. You get
Yeah.
a nice white fish there.
Yeah.
A little bit of blackening seasoning.
Okay, okay.
Just gonna flip that over there.
Do you ever change it up with different fish?
Rockfish, whatever. This is
Whatever's in season?
yeah, a nice white fish that you know can cut easy and doesn't break when you cut it. Doesn't fall apart like a rockfish or a tilapia if you wanted to.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so maybe this is a good time to take a little break.
I think so.
Finish it up.
Yeah.
And then taste it.
And then say,
And then taste
That's what he's here for, right?
Yeah, yeah. Stick around, DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.
the Mahi Mahi and the Blackens seasoning is out of the pan, ready to get plated up with our bruschetta. That's all for Mamma Mia Monday right here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen with Chef Joe Bellia of Joe's La Roma. Boy, I'll tell you what. So what did you do while we were gone?
So just pull the fish off the
Out of the pan?
out of the pan.
Right.
Let it rest for a second or two
Okay.
on the cutting board. Got the bruschetta mix all ready to go.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to go ahead and just put a little bit on top of the bread here, and you can see that I've pre-toasted the bread with a little bit of olive oil. and
Olive
garlic,
oil,
right?
I was going to say,
So
yeah.
just going to put a little bit of the mix that Lisa made here.
Have we mentioned how much we love it when you come by?
It
love
makes
coming by.
Mondays so much better.
So much better.
Dinner time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm about to get more hungry.
All right, there we go. Then we're just gonna take this fish. The mahi, like I said, does cut up well.
Right?
So you can just place this right on top.
Oh my goodness.
And the smell.
Right?
I almost feel like it's unfair to talk about the smell because the people at home cannot smell it.
You can just put your nose close to the television. Maybe you can.
We're working on the technology. We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. Listen,
All right.
I just want to be cool like you, so I put the gloves on.
Okay.
So I guess I'm done with these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine, unless you're gonna eat with them on.
No, not planning on it. No. Look at this. Oh, my goodness.
That is gorgeous. Oh, you can put a little more.
Just a little bit of garnish,
That looks amazing.
just in case anybody wants.
Is it a big surprise that I'm about to make a mess?
That's why they give us aprons,
Oh,
Jimmy.
good. That's all right. Joe, thank you. Please tell us again where we can come find you.
Sure. You can find me at Fruitland, 213 North Fruitland Boulevard at
Okay.
Joe's Roma, across from the Food Lion. Tomorrow's our Pizza Tuesday.
Pizza Tuesday.
That's right. We have our Takeout Tuesday, and then we're working on a Mother's Day brunch for May the 12th. If everybody wants to make reservations, recommend that you do them early because we probably will fill up.
All right.
Gonna go quick.
All right, I'm gonna
Sure.
step in front
Dive
of
in.
you here.
After you.
You're so nice. You want to see me make a mess first.
There's
Well,
no.
There's no
We're both
easy
going.
way.
There's not a good way to do it, is there?
Not a neat way.
No. This is entertaining for your party.
Yeah.
You get to enjoy the food, and they get to watch the show.
That's right. A little bit of crunchy, a little bit of warm with the fish. What do you
No.
think? Pretty good?
That is
You
delicious.
did this in no time.
Has a little
time.
kick to it, Jimmy. Did you get that?
Yes, I did.
That's the black disease, yeah.
It's
A
delicious.
Blackens seasoning.
Like I said, this could be done very easily, very quickly.
Well, thank you so much for doing it here.
I think he's right, though.
What's that?
I think I want more.
You want more? Oh, I definitely want more. I definitely want more. Thank you so much, Joe.
Joe, thank you.
And I'm sure you're going to be selling lots of this.
Oh, yeah.
coming
So,
up.
we'll have plenty.
If nobody else does.
Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.